Hi guys, in today's video we're going to look at three good websites that pays instantly and also pays in USD globally. If you perform simple activities in this particular site, three websites, they will pay you instantly and no minimum withdrawal. You can get your withdrawal through even wire transfer using Pioneer as well, and also you can also use other exchanges like crypto to withdraw your fund. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it to subscribe, like these videos, and also share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so let's dive in without a waste of time. All you just need to do is to stick to this very video from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this very class you'll be able to understand how to use those websites and also make a reasonable profit from them. So let's dive in. So the first one I'm going to mention today is this Upwork. Okay, Upwork is a major global freelancing platform where clients post jobs and freelancers from anywhere, including Nigeria, can apply. Okay, you can find work in writing, graphics designs, programming, marketing, virtual assistance, and more. All is paid in USD, and earnings are usually withdrawn via Pioneer or direct bank transfer. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come to this place, sign up on Upwork, but make sure you possess some level of ideas, skills, and those skills can you don't need to go to learn them anywhere. Those skills can be gotten from AI. AI has made all those things simple and easy. All you just need to do is to come to this place to sign up. So after signing up, set up your gigs. If you set up your gigs, then you can wait for for those who are interested in your gigs. They will contact you, they will chat you up, and you will negotiate business with them, provide their services, and you will get paid instantly, and it can be withdrawn instantly as well. You can see a lot of services are here: development and IT, design, creative, sales, marketing, writing, translations, finance and accounting, legal, HR and training, and many more of them. Okay, all you just need to do is to make sure you set up a proper fine gig. If you come to this place, you're going to be, are you for hiring or you for finding work? So this is what you're going to use for finding work. If you set up a proper gig here, you're going to meet a lot of new customers, and you work for them and they will pay you instantly. And those money can also be withdrawn instantly. So in my next class, we're going to like look at this each by each. I promise to mention three, right? We're going to look at them each by each, like one after the other, how you can sign up and also how you can set up your gig. As I said in my previous video, I said you can use AI to solve all of this problem. You don't need to go to anywhere for skills acquisitions. All right. So let me quickly mention the second one without waste of time. So the second one is Fiverr. A lot of us know about this. Okay. So where are the freelancers in the house? A lot of us knows about it. Okay. In this place, this is another well-known freelancing marketplace where you post gigs for digital services like logo, design, voiceover, editing, SEO writings, and many more. And all those things you don't need to do them yourself. All you just need to do is to make sure you have a particular AI that you master that can solve all of these problems for you. Okay? So before I go into this deeply, permit me to mention CoinX and show you the perfect feature that this CoinX has that you can be using to trade your cryptocurrency coin. So, CoinX is a global cryptocurrency exchange trusted by millions of users worldwide. It was launched in 2017. CoinX offers a secure, fast, and beginners-friendly platform for buying, selling, trading cryptocurrency, and lots more. You can do stakings as well. It has a lot of reasonable features where you can use to stake, you can use to trade crypto, you can use to trade spot, features, and lot more of them. Okay, you can see it has a lot of coins in display. Look at it. Okay, it has the new. In these new sessions, this is where all those coins that have been listed new are found. The gainers, that is the coin that have been doing well for the past 24 hours. The losers also, this is where you can find the coin that are currently down and are also at the oversold. Here's the leaderboard and also the market cap. This is where you can find the market cap of each particular cryptocurrency coin right here. So deep down here, you can see the market. Before the market, you can see the home page. You can see the spot. This is where you can trade your spot trading. The features. This is where you can do your feature trading known as derivatives in Bybit and others. Okay. Then you can also see the asset. This is where you find your fund, where your money are. Okay. This is users friendly exchange. If you have been trading before using any other exchange, then you realize that coin X is the best for you. So what are you waiting for? Quickly go to your Play Store, download this particular exchange, and start using it right away. I'll drop my referral link as well. You can use it to sign up, and let's keep doing this together. If you have any question about this, do well to just drop it in the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay? As you know with the others, it has this feature which is for deposit. You can also do fixed savings here and also do dual investment. There's also P2P here, which you and I all know that we use it to fund our account. You can see the fiat, the quick buy, the swap. You can also swap from one particular cryptocurrency here to another particular cryptocurrency coin. You can see this is spot trading where you can trade your spot. This is your future trading. This one show you the PNL, the profit and loss analysis. This one. This is the order book. Here you can check some strategies, the pre-token trading, the copy trading, and also demo account. So if you dive into this place, you can start using this demo account for you to get practice, to keep practicing so that you can get mastered with it, then fund your account and start trading crypto right here. So download it, sign up, and let's dive in. So as I was explaining about Fiverr, in Fiverr, if you have an idea, you can come to this place to set up your gig about programming, graphics design, digital marketing, writing and translations, video and animations, AI services. Okay, you can come to this place, set up your gig, sign up carefully, set up your gigs, and wait for customers to locate you. All you just need to do, you must set up a perfect gig so that a lot of people can find you and also give you a job. You can be paid instantly in USD and also cash out instantly without delay. They pay instantly as long as the job is delivered. All right. So this is another website that can pay you instantly and also in USD. You can do this from Nigeria and also all over the world. So so before I go, let me mention the third one. Okay. A lot of us actually knows about this click worker. A lot of us know about this Clickworker. Okay, Clickworker is a micro tax website where companies pay people to help with small online job like data work and also AI training. So let's look at what kind of job exactly. Okay, what kind of job exactly? You can have text writing and also short descriptions, image tagging, categorizations, audio transcriptions, web research, AI training, and lots more. Just some of those little job is what you can just do here on Clickworker and get paid. And yes, you can do it from Nigeria, but all you just need to understand is that this is not a get rich quick scheme, but you can be paid here and also cash out instantly. All you just need to do is to pay attention to those work and perform it carefully. Okay, so each tax pays between 0.01 to $5. Okay, a bigger project like UHRS tax can also pay more than that. So the more tax you complete correctly, the more you earn. All right. So the pay through PayPal, Pioneer, a minimum payout is 5 to 10 USD. Okay, the minimum payout here is 5 to 10 USD. So all you just need to do here is to like sign up carefully and start doing it little by little instead of wasting your time and also your airtime on social media. All right, so thank you so much. This actually brings me to the end of this very class. All you just need to do is to register and keep going. So if you do have any question about all this through website, and if there's anything you want me to talk about, let me know at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for sticking to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.